Welcome back to the main pilot. Clip her up. Okay, it's another late night decision. Roger and I have been out at the end of the runway, or the end of the taxi way over here by the end of the hangars. It's Roger's first night up. Let's see what he's doing. Hey Roger, how's the weather up there?
Nice and smooth.
That's what I like to hear. Alright, we just got our weather report. Nice and smooth. The forecast was calling for this to happen all day. I think it just happened a little bit later than what they were forecasting. Sunset's at 8:17 tonight. Right now it is 7:45. We'll get like 30 minutes and then the sun will set, and then we can legally stay up for another 30, but we'll see how that goes. So it should be a nice quick flight. We got Roger up there. He's not coming down. It's the first time he's been up this year, so that's always a good sign. Gotta let it warm up, do the run up, taxi down, and we're gonna go flying. Bit of a traffic, waiting below ultralight, back taxi, runway 24, bit of a traffic. I don't see any deer yet. They have been coming out late, as, you know, per usual. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some good sunset tonight. Yeah, Roger's not messing around for his first flight. He just got in, took off, and I don't even know where he is. Oh boy, it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, this should be a short one, but you fly an ultralight, you take what you can get. The wind was blowing pretty hard today. Let's go flying. Been waiting all day for this. My son just graduated from high school, so congratulations, Jaden. Hopefully he watches this and he sees it. I'm proud of you, buddy. He's out, they took him to some project graduation thing, so. Anyway, let's go up in the sky. Bit of a traffic, white and blue ultralights on the go, runway 24, bit of a traffic. Alright, one last check, trim, master, altimeter, strobe, mags are good. Alright, let's do this. Beautiful. Oh, there's a little bit of wind right here. Looking for Roger, looking for Roger. Pull it back a little bit. Yeah, smooth right out, right about 600 feet. Hey, Roger, where you at, buddy?
I'm heading back, probably midfield to the field.
Alright, I'm at 800 feet. I just departed, so I'll be at the end of the runway here. I'm looking for you.
I'm at 1,000 feet. I'm heading 301. I'm heading.
Yeah, Roger is right. It is pretty smooth up here. There's a little bumpy down low, but you know. I don't see him. Alright, I still don't have him. Hey, Roger, where you at? Hey, Roger, I got you in sight. I'm right to your left, just a hair low. I don't know if his radio is working. Okay, there is Roger. I don't think his radio is on. Engine temp still looking good. About 900 on the EGT. About 300 on the CHTs. First time we've ventured away from the airport, that's for sure. But everything looks really, really good, so. Oh man, what a night. Beautiful. Well, I don't think we're going to get much of a sunset tonight, but we're flying. Looks pretty hazy down there. We're going to get a pretty good shot of Roger right here, though. Hey, Roger, can you hear me? Yeah, his radio's not working. Yep, I'm pretty happy with the engine right now. Everything seems to be working just marvelous, marvelous. Sherry's down there somewhere. You can probably find her house. Hi, Sherry. Sherry's a good friend of mine. We used to fly a lot. We're gonna fly a lot again. Huge aviation person. Loves it. I guess I'm going to try to do this one more time because I've tried to do it 3 times already, but I'd just like to thank everyone that helped me out along the way. I'd like to thank Charles for letting me use the cooler and telling me about Rotax Rick. We like to thank Rotax Rick. He's pretty awesome. I'd like to thank Jason from Cotton Patch. Check out his channel. He's a super cool guy. flies a Challenger too. He's going for his, I think, sport pilot license. And then John from Aviation Adventure Boys. Check them out. Check him out. He has really awesome content also. And yeah, I mean, everyone on Facebook, on the Flight Stuff Facebook page, and on the Phantom page, super awesome people. Aviation community is very tight-knit, and we look out for each other. Just like to thank everybody for making this possible. It's the first time for me changing the engine out, and it was a journey and an experience. Looks like Roger's going in. So anyway, thank you guys, everyone that gave me a hit. I appreciate all of you. Yeah, Roger may have had enough. I mean, I haven't. But, you know, that's me. Oh, maybe not. Yep, I think he has. I think he's going in. Well, what can we do? We're not going to get a sunset tonight. Guess we could go in and do a low pass just for fun, because why not? Yeah, a bit of a traffic, ultralights, and left base, 2-4, a low pass, bit of a traffic. Oh, I can't forget Steve. Steve and Jerry and Jack from B-19 from Bedford Airport. Oh, really helped me a lot. Can't forget anyone. I try not to, but it's hard when I'm up here flying. But I wanted to do it while I was flying with the new engine. Yep, I'm just going to go back around and land and call it a night. We're supposed to have some really good weather all week, so hopefully we'll be flying all week. Yeah, that wind's pushing. Means we're gonna turn hard. A bit of a traffic, ultralights entering midfield for left downwind, 2-4 full stop, bit of a traffic. Alright, thanks for watching The Main Pilot. Once again, thanks to everyone who helped me out on this journey. And we're gonna have a lot of content coming. I hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself. And we'll see you on the next one. See ya. Right, got a bit of a traffic. Ultralight turning left downwind. Runway 24. Full stop. Bit of a traffic. Bit of a traffic. Ultralight base. Then final. Full stop. Right side grass. Bit of a traffic. Thanks for watching.